Hello, I am Dr. Sunil Garg, critical care specialist in Dubai. With this video, I will guide you through commonly encountered questions regarding COVID-19 and home oxygen use. Can I use oxygen at home? क्या मैं घर पे ऑक्सीजन यूज कर सकता हूँ? Yes, you can use oxygen at home if you have COVID. अगर आपको कोविड है तो आप घर पे ऑक्सीजन यूज कर सकते हैं। मुझे घर पर ऑक्सीजन कब यूज करना है? When should I use oxygen at home? When your oxygen saturation falls below 92% while measuring through pulse oximeter, जबकि आपका saturation 92% से नीचे जाता है रूम एयर पर, तो आपको ऑक्सीजन का यूज करना है। How I will know my oxygen requirement? मुझे ये कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा कि मुझे कितना ऑक्सीजन यूज करना है? The aim of oxygen therapy is to keep saturation between 92 to 96%. एंड डू नॉट ट्राई टू अचीव सेचुरेशन मोर देन 96%। आपको अपना सेचुरेशन ऑक्सीजन पे 96% के ऊपर नहीं लेके जाना है। द लोवेस्ट ऑक्सीजन फ्लो विच अचीव्स सेचुरेशन बिटवीन 92 टू 96% इज अप्रोप्रिएट अमाउंट फॉर यू। मतलब जो भी ऑक्सीजन फ्लो जो कम से कम फ्लो आपका सेचुरेशन 92 टू 96% के बीच में रखता है, वो आपके लिए अप्रोप्रिएट अमाउंट है। व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन डिलीवरी एट होम? जब आपको इन दोनों में से एक सेलेक्ट करना हो कि आपको ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर खरीदना है या ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर, देन हाउ यू विल डिसाइड? सो ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर प्रोवाइड्स 100% ऑक्सीजन while ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर प्रोवाइड 92 to 95% of oxygen. Oxygen cylinder has finite supply, means once empty you need to replace it or refill it. It is large in size and more in weight. It provides continuous flow of oxygen and there may be a possibility of leak. It has recurring cost. While in case of oxygen concentrator, the maximum flow which it can provide is 10 liter per minute. It needs electricity or battery to run. It has infinite supply, means as long as battery is there or the power is there, it can work. It's portable. It can provide continuous or pulse dose delivery. Pulse dose delivery means during exhalation there will be no oxygen flow. There is no possibility of leak and cost is largely upfront. चाहे आप ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर यूज कर रहे हो, चाहे ऑक्सीजन कॉन्सेंट्रेटर यूज कर रहे हो, द मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन विच कैन बी डिलीवर्ड विद दीज डिवाइसेस इज अराउंड 50 to 60% only. While oxygen cylinder has pure oxygen, means 100% oxygen, and oxygen concentrator purifies the air to 92 to 95%, but the ultimate delivery is not more than 50 to 60%. In terms of oxygen delivery, the best delivery can be achieved with oxygen cylinder with non-rebreathing mask. But in this case, when you are using non-rebreathing mask with the oxygen cylinder, oxygen consumption is high. So it is appropriate to have concentrator with backup cylinder at home. आपको ऑक्सीजन यूज करते वक्त क्या क्या सावधानी बरतनी है, क्या क्या किन किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है? If you are not feeling well even on oxygen, contact your doctor or hospital. Do not delay. Do not try to achieve saturation more than 96% on oxygen. And if you are not able to achieve saturation more than 92% on full oxygen, contact your physician or the hospital. And do not ignite anything near oxygen. Which oxygen concentrator I should buy? It depends on your requirement. They come in different sizes, have varied flow rates, and the efficiency of the oxygen concentrator depends on its capacity. It is reasonable to buy one with maximal flow of oxygen in case if you require more oxygen. But to be on safer side, do not rely on oxygen concentrator if you are not feeling well, and you should contact your physician or hospital in that particular situation. Thanks for watching this video. Hope I have solved most of your questions. Still, if you have some query, please write down in the comment section box. I will try to respond each and every query.